Looking to create stunning hairstyles at home? Introducing the Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit. Your all-in-one solution for salon-like results. Welcome to Petal Whisper. Let's dive into all the amazing features of this versatile styling kit. With this multi-styling kit, you can straighten your hair for a sleek look, create soft, bouncy curls with the curler, add beautiful texture using the crimper, style like a pro with the conical curler for natural waves, boost your hair's volume using the volume brush. It's like having a personal hairstylist at your fingertips. Whether you're getting ready for a party, date night, or just want to elevate your everyday look, this kit has got you covered. It's perfect for every hair type and occasion. And guess what? It heats up quickly and has a sleek, lightweight design for effortless use. Here's what we love about the Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit. Pros: versatile and travel-friendly. Ceramic-coated plates for smooth styling. Comes with a 2-year guarantee for peace of mind. Cons: no heat control option might be a concern for sensitive hair types. Requires some practice to master all the attachments. Women adore the Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit because of its versatility and ease of use. It caters to all hair types, whether thick, thin, straight, or curly. The quick heating feature saves time, especially during busy mornings or last-minute events. Plus, the attachments are easy to switch, allowing seamless transitions between styles. Whether you want to create a sleek office look or a party-ready hairstyle, this kit has you covered. It's budget-friendly, saving you from buying separate tools, and its quick change attachments make it easy to use, even for beginners. While it features a fixed heat level, its ceramic-coated plates ensure minimal hair damage and consistent performance. Backed by a 2-year guarantee, the kit ensures durability and long-term value. Ease of use is another major advantage. The quick change attachments allow seamless transitions between styles, making it beginner-friendly and time-saving. Unlike individual tools that require separate handling and storage, this kit simplifies the hairstyling process, ensuring a smooth experience for users of all skill levels. Additionally, the Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit comes with a 2-year guarantee, offering peace of mind regarding its durability and reliability. With individual tools, the lifespan and warranty often vary depending on the brand, which can be a concern for users seeking long-term quality. If you're looking for an affordable, all-in-one hairstyling tool, the Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit is a great choice. It's perfect for women who love variety in their hairstyles, without breaking the bank or filling up their vanity with multiple tools. While it may not have adjustable heat settings, its ceramic coating ensures your hair stays protected. For more reviews and tips, don't forget to check out Petal Whisper.